At Heather's house for the 4th of July. We'll pull the fire alarm at her house.
Okay, Franklin, let's go to Heather's for the 4th of July.
Why do I have to sit with my annoying little sister?
We're here. That must be Franklin and his family.
Hi, Heather.
Hi, Lizzie. Hi, Omar. Hi, Lily.
I'm going to watch South Park.
Later.
Franklin, it's time to eat. What do you want?
Pizza. I want ribs. And I want onion rings.
I want a salad.
And I want steak.
Later.
Remember last year I stick a sparkler in Harold's ear.
After the fireworks.
Is the fireworks over?
Yes, it's only 4 hours, maybe next year.
Let's pull the fire alarm.
Let's go outside, everyone. Franklin, did you pull the fire alarm?
Yes.
Franklin, let's go home right now. Franklin, how dare you pull the fire alarm at Heather's house? That's it, you're grounded for $24,534. Go to your room now.
Well.